Okay, this rear door here won't open from the outside either. Let's get it apart real quick. Take a little cover off. Get this 8mm bolt out. I'm assuming it's probably the latch, but we'll check it real quick. This is a farm truck, so they get used and abused. They probably hadn't worked in a while, but they're just now getting a chance to let loose of it. Jeez, let's pop out here. Don't act like it wants to. Just leave it in there for now. Get a cover here, maybe it pops off. 5.5. Go down in here, yep. A couple 5.5s down here. Go. Gotta get on it. See if I can get the switch out. Unplugged. And this cable that hooks to this, maybe I can push it out this way. There we go. This is the right rear door. It's going to be pretty similar as that front one. Remove this window track. Let's see here. I think I can unplug that connector right here. And it's going to have that same setup as far as this little clip here. Kind of hard to show you. Try to release it while I'm holding this camera. This is tough. It's like that. Then that rod will pull out like that. Release that. And that's for the outside handle. It doesn't have a lock cylinder on this latch. We don't have to worry about that. That we can remove with the latch. Remove the outside handle and cable with the latch. These T27s. tell, we don't have as big an opening as the other, you know, on the front door. Well, that latch is not going to fit through. I can turn it this way and make it fit. So close. Close right there, but it's not going to do it. Let's see here if I can loosen this regulator up here a little without having to remove it. Just see if we can remove a couple of bolts. Maybe it'll give us enough room to not really. Try the one here on the bottom. I'm just pushing that regulator forward or to the outside of that door. This in here is tough. It's hung. It's hung right here. There we go. And we'll bring a rod. Remember, the rod goes up in the inside and it comes out this slot here. There we go. And that rod handle will be just like that on the new one. Slide it in. And that is the same setup as the front one. That clip right here will release it. There we go. Just need a little help. Yeah, that's the same setup. So we'll get them swapped over and put the new one in.